All right, WMC, this is a video to randomize our jersey numbers for tonight's break number 6, which is one of the Hall of Fame jerseys. So we'll check the time, April 17th at 10:27 a.m. Going to go over to the break and type live. We've got April 17th at 10:27 a.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whatever number pops up in front of your name is your jersey number for this break. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. Good luck. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there is our list of jersey numbers. We'll get this posted. You guys can trade numbers if you like, and then we'll see you tonight at 7 for the break.